Terus dia Faris.
Ya, sebenarnya kita ada bersama daripada Korea. Kita nak berbincang tentang Junior Chambers International dan bersama kita adalah Mr. Jun Sup Chin ataupun dia lebih dikenali sebagai Supi. So should we call you Supi?
You can call me Sophie as my nickname. Thank you.
Okay,
Supi is the president of the JCI. Okay, first of all, what is JCI actually?
Okay, first of all, thank you very much for inviting me here
you.
today.
Welcome.
Talking about JCI is Junior Chamber International. We can be member from 18 years to 40 years old.
Okay.
This is the reason why it's
18
a
to 40
junior.
years old.
Okay.
Yes. We have about more than 115 countries with about 200,000 members with 5,000 communities.
All right.
5,000 local chapters. So it starts from local chapters to national organization, again, international level.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So what does the
What does it
JCI
do?
actually do?
Yeah.
Yeah. First of all, our mission is to provide development opportunities that
Development
empower
opportunities.
young people to create positive change.
Okay.
And we have many areas of opportunities, especially the four major areas, which is leadership skills. Another one is the social responsibility,
All right.
as well as entrepreneurship and the fellowship to create positive change.
Okay, positive change. When you talk about positive change, how is it? How do you achieve that through leadership courses, or how do you achieve positive change in this, in the youth today? Yeah.
Yes, our value, our vision of JCI is that to be a global network of young active citizens. So basically, we run a lot of the community projects.
Okay.
And then, we are divided by four areas, which is Asia Pacific, of course,
Okay.
Africa, Middle East, and America, and Europe.
All right.
So every year we have an area conference, and then come up with one World Congress. And during the conference and congress, we have so many trainings. Seminars. We invite a very important keynote speakers.
All right.
And basically, I feel this organization is like continuing education
Okay.
to be better, just like our official slogan, which is be better.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
This year itself, what is the plan of action for JCI for this year?
There are so many goals, but especially we are very much focusing on three main goals, which is the membership growth,
All right.
and the second is the sponsorship, and the third one is the prevention of climate change.
All right.
Prevention of climate change.
Yes.
Okay.
As global young active citizens in the worldwide, it is time for us to really concern about the prevention of climate change.
True.
All right.
I don't know if you are already aware about the Earth Hour.
Yes.
We
We
had
were
our
all
show
involved in the
a few
Earth
days
Hour.
ago. We had a
Okay,
show
good,
talking about the
good.
Earth Hour. Yeah.
Right.
Although we have about 200,000 members, if we can come up with past members, senators of JCI, as well as related families, we can be easily few million members in the world.
Right.
And it is time for us to really think about this climate change, because we do not want our next generation to live in the desert.
Yes,
Right,
it's
true,
true. So how is it response from Malaysia itself towards the JCI?
It's
pretty good?
Pretty good.
And your visit here,
I'm
what's
here
going
for
on in
3
Malaysia?
days. See, basically, as a world president, JCI, my responsibility and my role this year is to be an ambassador of JCI.
All right. Okay.
So I'm going to probably visit around more than 60 countries.
Wow. 600. Yeah. Okay.
And meet very important opinion leaders in
All
their
right.
community and their nation, to promote JCI, as well as a lot of discussion with them about how we can be good leaders in the future.
Okay, I've also heard about you guys having global leaders involved in JCI. Can you
Yes,
tell me about
many.
that? Yeah.
Wow, so many global leaders. I probably have to start from USA, John F. Kennedy,
John F. Kennedy. Okay.
and Bill Clinton,
Right.
and Nixon, and Jerry Ford. They are all from JCI
All
USA.
right. Okay.
Recently, I met Paul Schroeter from Denmark. He was a past prime minister.
All right.
And we have in Japan the current prime minister Taro Aso. He was also very active. He was a 1978 JCI Japan national president, when my father was a 1978 JCI Korea national
Right.
president.
All right. So it's in the family then.
Yeah, so it is another great areas of opportunities, international fellowship. Yeah, and the past UN Secretary General, Kofi Annan, he was also from JCI.
Okay, with the
So,
current global financial crisis going on right now, what is JCI's point of view? How do we make things better, and how do we get the youth involved to make things better for them?
You know, for us, I think it is a great opportunity. Like I mentioned, this organization gives a lot of development opportunities for young active citizens. So because of that, we give a lot of opportunities. You know, I don't know if there's any exact clue about this financial crisis, but one thing we should not forget is the when you face difficulties, please remember we can also have opportunities.
Yes.
You know, John F. Kennedy, when he went to lecture to Harvard University, he quoted that the Chinese use two brush strokes to write a world crisis. One stands for danger, another one stands for opportunity. So in a crisis, be aware of danger, at the same time recognize opportunity.
All right, that's very important in times like this, especially when you talk about unemployment, which is very high. So what's GCI's stand, and what's the message for the, the unemployment that's been going on,
especially for the young,
for the young people?
Well, in JCI point, I would first recommend, please join JCI if you are from between 18 years to 40 years old, and because we have so many great training programs.
All right.
So that if you can join, we can really learn more about to be a better person. And then again, when you face difficulties, try to get ready for a great opportunity that you can have in the future.
Okay, let's say if I'm in Malaysia, how can one join to be a member of GCI? What can I do?
Is there a website or things
Yes,
like that?
all you have to do is just click, I think, JCI.cc,
www.jci.cc, and they've even got a Malaysian
website. They have all the details about all the countries and etc. About all the programs and all the great things that we run, we do for our community.
And when you talk about young active citizens, what does the active word means? Meaning active means someone that's involved or always doing something, or what does it mean to JCI?
I think it really applies to everything. You just have to be better. So basically, if you can be really good active citizen for your community, that is the main idea of our goal, which is spreads from individual to the local level, local to national level, again international level.
And there's plenty benefits to join when you're a member of GCI. To know more about GCI, log on to
www.jci.cc.
All right, we would like to wish thank you to Mr. Supi. Thank you for coming to Awani Pagi.
Thank you very much.
Dan nampaknya kita telah pun sampai ke penghujung rancangan, dan terima kasih kepada semua yang telah menonton rancangan ini. Pastikan anda terus bersama kami di Astro Awani. Kita jumpa lagi. Bye. Thank you.